This is the video I wished existed 3 years ago when I started my own transition from SAP MM to SAP AI architecture. Most SAP MM consultants who want to move into AI do not know where to start. They look at the landscape, AI Core, DataSphere, Joule, Gen AI Hub, Signavio, and it feels overwhelming. This video gives you a practical sequenced roadmap: where to assess yourself first, which use case to attempt first, and the 90-day plan that proves your readiness to any employer or client. Before building anything, assess yourself and your organization across 4 dimensions. Data readiness: are EKKO, EKPO, EKBE complete and accurate? Are vendor master records deduplicated? Is multi-region data harmonized? Platform readiness: is SAP BTP provisioned? Is DataSphere connected to S4HANA? Is integration suite configured? Process readiness: are procurement workflows documented? Are use cases scoped with business owners? And organization readiness: is there a named AI program sponsor? Is there a data steward? Has the procurement team been briefed? Score each dimension: red, amber, or green. All 4 must reach green before model building begins. This sounds obvious. Nobody does it. Start here. Use a 2-axis matrix: business value on vertical axis, effort on horizontal axis, quick wins, high value, low effort, price anomaly detection, spend Q&A with Joule, vendor performance dashboard. Start here. Strategic play: high value, higher effort, supplier recommendation engine, contract intelligence with RAG, agentic PR automation. These are your phase 2. Low priority and avoid complex customizations, non-integrated AI tools, and any use case without clean data. 3 phases. Days 1 to 30. Diagnose and decide. Audit EKKO, EKPO, EKBE, LFA1. Score your 4 readiness dimensions. Select one use case. Define your KPIs and establish the baseline. Day 31 to 60. Build and test. Set up your BTP landscape. Build the DataSphere data product. Train and validate your model. Test with real buyers and capture feedback. Days 61 to 90. Deploy and measure. Embed in Fiori workflow. Train the procurement team. Measure KPIs against the baseline you set in phase 1. Document lessons. Assign the named model owner. 90 days is enough to prove value. Start with one use case. Prove it, then scale. 5 pitfalls I see consistently. Starting with technology, not the problem. Define the business pain first. We want AI is not a use case. We want to reduce PO cycle time by 40% is. Skipping the data audit, spend 2 weeks auditing before building. Bad data produces confident, wrong recommendations. Harder to fix than starting right. No named model owner after go live. Assign a named person before deployment, not after. Measuring success at go live, not at 6 months. Define KPIs before building. Measure at month 1, 3, and 6. And treating the pilot as the destination. Every pilot needs a scaling plan written on day 1. If you have watched this entire series, you now have a complete foundation for intelligent procurement on SAP BTP. Module 1, BTP Foundation and Clean Core. Module 2, Generative AI, Gen AI Hub and RAG. Module 3, SAP AI Core, Supplier Recommendation, Price Anomaly, Model Governance. Module 4, Joule Conversational AI, Agentic Direction. Model 5, Data Sphere, Harmonization, the 6 tables. Module 6, AI Readiness, Use Case Prioritization, 90-day execution plan, and Signavio, Process Discovery Closed Loop Measurement. The gap between knowing and doing is the only gap that matters. You now have the knowledge. The next step is applying it. The complete 5-layer stack. Experience layer, SAP Joule and Fiori. Natural language Q&A, PR assistant, approval support, exception, explainer, intelligence layer, SAP AI Core and Gen AI, supplier recommendation, price anomaly, contract intelligence, agentic agents, integration layer, integration suite and event mesh, real-time API calls, event-driven triggers, workflow embedding, data layer, SAP Data Sphere, harmonize procurement data products from EKKO, EKPO, EKBE, EKET, LFA1, EORD. Source layer, SAP S4HANA Clean Core, standard procurement transactions, standard APIs, no modifications. Every use case you build flows through all 5 layers. This is the architecture you can draw on a whiteboard for any client or in any interview. Final takeaways. AI readiness starts with data. Audit before you architect. Start with one use case. Price anomaly or Joule spend Q&A are the fastest paths to value. 90 days is enough to prove value if you scope correctly. The 5-layer stack works together. No single component delivers value alone. And AI does not replace procurement professionals. It removes the ceiling on what a skilled, lean procurement team can achieve. That is the complete series. If these videos have been useful, subscribe, share with an SAP MM colleague who is thinking about making this transition, and drop a comment below. Thank you. You now have a complete foundation for intelligent procurement on SAP BTP.